Hi, I want to book a table for dinner.
Sure, may I have your name, please?
Rochelle Fernandez.
Thank you, Ms. Fernandez. May I have your phone number?
09105-230937.
Got it. What date and time would you like?
September 15 at 7 p.m.
Thank you. For how many guests?
4 people.
No. Do you prefer smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking, please.
Alright, any special request?
Yes, a table by the window if possible.
Okay, let me repeat your booking. A dinner reservation, Mr. Fernandez, phone number 0910-5230-937 on September 15 at 7 p.m. for 4 people non-smoking with a window table request. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Great. Your reservation is confirmed. Thank you for choosing Vitek Hotel and Restaurant. We look forward to serving you. Have a nice day.